Hey, what's up? It's Tom and welcome to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at my new mouse, the Sharkoon Light 200. My previous mouse, the Corsair Harpoon RGB, decided that it doesn't want to be a mouse anymore. And specifically the DPI button, it literally has a mind of its own. It keeps changing the DPI settings, which is extremely annoying. Anyway, I decided I'm going to go for a ultralight mouse. Now, the first one that came to mind is the Model D. Unfortunately, not only was that mouse out of stock locally everywhere in terms of online locally, but as in this country it was out of stock literally everywhere, and I didn't really want to buy it on eBay. But I found this. And I actually seem to like it a little bit better than the Model D. I haven't seen it myself, but looking at online reviews and photos, I tend to like it more. So the way this mouse is branded, it says Light Squared 200, but apparently it's just Light 200. Now, from my experience, Sharkoon tends to be more of a budget brand, especially compared to something like Corsair, which I'm a huge fan of. So it's breaking my heart having to go to another brand, but that's the world we live in today. This was actually a decent deal as well. I bought it for £40 on Amazon. It's around £50–60 in other shops. I even seen it for £75 in one shop. There's another £5 delivery. So it is a higher end mouse. It certainly is more expensive than my Corsair one, which I think retails for around £30, if not less. So yeah, Sharkoon from my experience tends to be a bargain brand. However, over the last couple of years they have certainly improved their products. I haven't had many of them myself. I only actually had one mouse. It was a mouse I purchased for my first ever build many years ago. And that mouse cost me about £10. And it was an okay mouse. It probably still works today if I have it somewhere. I'm not sure if I do anymore. But it wasn't a good mouse. And I'm hoping a lot more from this mouse. So let's have a look at the box. So this too is RGB. It has 16.8 million colors. It's got a PixArt 3389 sensor, 16,000 DPI. And it's ultra lightweight, so it says it only weighs 62 grams. Now, not sure about you, but I prefer heavy mice. So you know, this is how I prefer them. But it's going to be interesting to get used to this. Apparently, there is software with this. I'm not entirely sure what it looks like. I guess we're going to take a look at it. So, without further ado, let's have a look inside it. So, there's a bag here, and this bag contains what looks to be like mouse feet and interchangeable DPI buttons. That'll be interesting. And that's the first cover. I'm not sure if I want to be using that one. Well, it does feel pretty smooth. So it does have a braided cable as well. And some strange packaging. So that's it for the inside of the box. You got some nice, I can't even pronounce that, some nice gel. You got a book. And this is the mouse. Interesting choice of packaging, I must admit. The mouse itself does look premium, and actually, I'm not entirely. I was about to say it's about the same weight as this, but it's not. It's a lot lighter, and it's a lot more comfortable. Oh blimey, that's really comfortable. I like that. You can see all the cables inside there as well, which is interesting. Now you can interchange these. Blimey, that came off easily. And apparently that illuminates, and possibly so does that. It's one of the things I like about this mouse. It just looks real cool. Put that back on. So I would imagine that these feet are spare then. These are already applied. I'm going to undo that. This is always nice to see when they include these cable tidies. I'm just going to plug it in to my USB hub for the time being. Hope it's powerful enough. Yep, so the Sharkoon logo does indeed light up. I'm not sure if you can see that. It looks pretty cool. And what I might do is change the DPI button to red, because that's the color scheme of my setup. So how do we get the software? I'm not entirely sure. So that just comes off like that. The red one can go back on. That's it. Blimey, that DPI is so... it feels good to use as well, which is important. It's very important actually. Let's see how it feels with a standard top. That's how. Must admit, it actually looks very nice with this as well. But I think I prefer the honeycomb one. Oh blimey, that is a decision. What do you reckon? Does it look better with the honeycomb, or does it feel better with this nice smooth? Let me know in the comments. So blimey, I must admit, the DPI definitely feels better, and I must admit as well, I don't think I played this map before. It looks very cool. So you're gonna think I'm crazy, so I'm gonna test this out. Actually, it was a good thing I did that. I was going the wrong way. That's a lot more players than my first time. Right. Who to kill first? Him. Or her, to be fair. I think that's a bomber. Come here. Don't scare him off. Is he shooting at me? Yes, he is. Sorry, guys. Where are you? No, don't do that. Ah! Oh, that was in the good one. I'm smoking. They're all after me. No. Oh god. Oh, this plane is gone. Not the best start I was hoping for. Okay, let's use this one. And it was going so wow. Oh. I'm not used to the shape of the mouse, to be fair. As well. It does feel very comfortable to game in. Why is everyone so far away? No, you don't. Ah. Sorry, ship. Enemy kill? Whoa. No, you don't. Blimey, that guy's fast. What an absolute... Oh, I'm not gonna swear. I think he may have swapped his penis for his head. After doing that. Who knows? Oh dear, that's not good. Where is he? He's behind me. And he's gone. Blimey, as a team, we are losing big time. Oh, hello. Come here. Who's shooting? Hello. I'll get you then. This plane's gonna crash. I've got a fuel leak, I think. Ah, really? Let's try something larger. Good old Typhoon. I must admit the music in this game is really good. Well, I do highly recommend as well. Sometimes when I do play this game I tend to listen to Sabaton. Great band if you're into heavy metal. They sing about all the famous battles. It's pretty good. And a lot of the songs are emotional as well. Oh, hello. Whoa! What am I getting myself into? Where is it gone?
There you are. We're gonna lose this anyway. Okay, he's gone. I'm gonna... Whoa. What happened there? Someone has to do it. Oh, I missed it. That should do it. Yes. Why does it keep doing that? So I think the downside to this is the mouse bungee I have here keeps sort of pulling it up, and of course the mouse is extremely light, so it does that. Blimey.